Okay, listen. I hope this recording you can hear me. I've been working on this little Honda. This is a 2004 Honda for a long time. Actually, it's been sitting for a long time, and I think we had some bad rod bearings. Tried to replace those rod bearings, and I prayed last night. I prayed over it just now. I'm really hoping it worked, and if it don't, it don't. But I really hope that it does. It was knocking before, so I just put some oil in it. I just put a charged battery in it. It's got old gas in it. I tried to take the cap off here, but the bolts are rusty. I'm running out of daylight. I'm going to just try it. This might be the wrong move because you might have bad gas in it, but fingers crossed, I'm going to try it. Hopefully it'll start. We'll see what happens. So it started right up, but all the oil is leaking out. But why? Why is the oil leaking out? Why is that happening? Okay, so it started up, but the oil's all leaking out on the ground. So we got to figure something else out. I mean, was that successful? Maybe.